One login mistake can wipe out your entire business. Imagine this. You're running 3 Shopify stores and 2 Amazon accounts. You log in into all of them from the same laptop, same Wi-Fi, same browser. Next morning, you wake up to your account has been suspended, unusual activity detected. We have permanently disabled your access. Not just one account, all of them. Because platform silently links all your accounts with your device IP and fingerprint and decide you are suspicious. And that's exactly what happens to a lot of e-commerce seller, media buyer and agencies. In this video, I'll show you how to stop that from happening using a tool called Multilogin, cloud-based anti-detect browser that lets you run multiple accounts on the same platform safely from one computer. Keep each store or accounts in a fully isolated browser profiles. Share those profiles with your team and actually save thousands per year compared to juggling extra devices, VPNs and overpriced seat-based tools. And I'm not just going to tell you about it, I'll show you how it works in practical to solve real money plus time problem. Hey guys, Wana here, and if you run multiple Shopify, Amazon or marketplace stores, manage several ad accounts or clients account, are tired of account getting randomly banned or flagged, or if you're wasting money on extra devices, proxies or tool subscriptions, then keep watching. In this video, I'll show you real risk why running multiple ad accounts from the same device or IP is so dangerous. How Multilogin fixes this with isolated browser profiles. Live practical example how to setting up profiles for multiple accounts from single dashboard. And how this can save serious money and time for you and your team. Quick note, always use Multilogin within the terms and policies of the platform and the tool you work with. This video is about making legitimate accounts and team workflow more stable and efficient, not about doing anything shady. Let's start with the root problem. Step 1. The real risk, how platforms secretly link your accounts. Most people think platform only track email, password, maybe IP address. In reality, big platforms like Shopify, Amazon, Ad Network or SaaS tool tracks your device fingerprint, OS, browser version, screen size, font, GPU, time zone, etc. Your cookie, local storage, your IP address history, and patterns, and combination of all of them over time. So if you open 3 stores from same Chrome profile or use same incognito or private window and think you are safe, or share one account with your whole team on same device, to the platforms, it looks like different accounts, same device, same IP, same pattern, equals something's off. Result, linked account, sudden reviews, payment holds, permanent bans that hit all connected accounts at once. This is nightmare if you operate multiple brands in different regions, or you are an agency with several clients on the same platform, or you're doing legitimate A/B testing or traffic arbitrage across accounts. You don't want one risky account taking down everything else. That's the real problem Multilogin is built to solve. Step 2. What Multilogin actually is. Multilogin is a cloud-based anti-detect browser platform that lets you create and manage fully isolated browser profiles, each with its own cookies, fingerprint, IP or proxy, and storage, and from one central dashboard. Each profile looks like to website a separate machine and a separate person. You don't need multiple laptops, messy virtual machines, dozens of VPN windows. Instead, you get a clean list of profile, one for each store, account, and clients, and you can launch, edit, share, or automate them from one place. Now let's see what that looks like in a real example. Step 3. Real world scenario. Multiple Shopify store on one machine. Let's take a very common case. You're running or managing 3 Shopify stores, 2 Amazon seller accounts, and your team of 4 to 5 people need access. Without Multilogin, this is what it often looks like. One laptop with 10 Chrome profiles, a couple of VPNs or proxy, inconsistent, easy to forget to switch. Team member logging in from different device, different IPs, mixing everything. Logs out, 2-factor authentication triggers, security check, and the consent fear of ban. Time wasted explaining the clients why their account is under review. Re-verification accounts, rebuilding assets or stores, losing ad history or seller reputation. Now here how the same setup looks with Multilogin. Step 4. Inside Multilogin, setting up isolated profiles in action. Login in and see your central dashboard. By the way, you can download the Multilogin Windows version from the video description, and of course you might find some discount there. You can download the application from their official website. Once you download this application, install it. It's pretty straightforward. Login into Multilogin, you land on a central dashboard. You'll see all your existing browser profiles in a list. Each profile equal one digital identity, one store, one account, one project, etc. At the bottom, you can see your plan details. For example, team or pro plan that give you a certain number of profiles, proxy traffic, and a team seats. Create a new profile for a store. Let's say we want to create a profile for Shopify store A. Click create profile. Name it clearly Shopify brand A, US. On the top, you will see some tabs like proxy, fingerprint, etc. We'll start with a journal. Choose browser engine and connect the agent. Multilogin has two main browser engines. Mimic, just like a Chrome browser. 𝗟𝗶𝘀, just like a Firefox browser. Pick the one, for example, Mimic. Now click Connect Agent if you haven't yet. Multilogin will ask you to download the agent for your OS. Install it once, click Connect Agent again. I've already downloaded the agent and it's connected. When it says agent connected, you are ready. This agent is what actually launches the real browser windows on your machine. Assign IP, proxies, and location. Now we'll choose how this browser profile connects to internet. Proxy type, Multilogin proxy. If your plan includes built-in proxy traffic, custom proxy. If you bring your own, or none, uses your real IP, not recommended for multi-account setup. Let's pick, for example, a proxy located in United States for this US-based Shopify store. Select United States as the targeted location. Optional, set a start URL like your Shopify store URL to open in first launch. You can also add tags like Shopify, brand A, US, and notes. Main store, no risk testing here, something like that. Optional. Advanced mode for more control. If you toggle advanced mode, you will see more options. Regions, city, inside the country, for more precise and geo-targeting. Protocol, HTTP or sockets. Sticky session, keep the same IP for as long as possible or rotate after some minutes. Traffic serves, reduce data using on proxies. In Advanced tab, select your actual operating system, for example Windows. Confirm browser engine like Mimic or 𝗟𝗶𝘀. Choose local versus cloud storage for this browser profile. In the Extra tab, you can tweak even deeper fingerprint details, but if you are not expert, you can leave this as default. Now click Create Profile. Go back to the dashboard. You will see your browser profile name right here. Click Start. Multilogin opens a new browser window. This window has its own isolated cookies, its own fingerprint, the proxy and location you set. To Shopify, this looks like a dedicated real device used only for this store. Let's do the same for Shopify brand B, Amazon brand C, etc. Each with its own proxy and location, its own device fingerprint, its own long-term cookies and logins. From one machine, one dashboard. That's how Multilogin prevents accounts from being linked the way they would be in a normal browser. Real money and time saving. Simple example. Now let's talk about what this actually means for your wallet and your schedule. Replacing multiple devices, VMS, and massive VPNs. Before Multilogin, a typically team might buy 3-5 extra laptops just to separate accounts, pay for multiple VPN subscriptions, spend time configuring and patching virtual machines, lose hours each week dealing with logouts, security check, and broken sessions. Those costs adds up fast. Devices easily $1,000 to $3,000 upfront. VPNs, proxies $50 to $200. VPN or proxies $50 to $200 a month. Wasted time, several hours, weeks across the team. With one Multilogin team plan, you can run dozens or hundreds of isolated profiles from one machine. Central everything in one dashboard. Remove the need for many of these extra tools and setup. Even a small team of 5 to 10 people can end up saving thousands per year when they stop paying for redundant tools and hardware. Example, tool access and per seat cost. Generally, many professional tools like SEO, analytics, research, etc. charge per user or per seat. A simple generic example. A tool's basic plan might allow 5 users at around something dollar. A higher tier plan for 10 users might jump few dollars to $800 per month. That an extra $800 every month or $9,600 per year just for additional seats. With a setup like Multilogin plus proper licensing where allowed, your centralized access, you avoid needing separate physical setup for every user. You can often operate with few physical devices and infrastructure instead of buying more and more machine or environment. Always make sure you are respecting each tool's license. The point is, when you centralize and isolated infrastructure with Multilogin, you can often eliminate a lot of unnecessary overhead. Step 6. A team collaborating, sharing profiles safely. If you are not solo and you work with a team, here's where a Multilogin shines even more. Invite team member. In the Team tab, click Invite, enter your teammate email, send the invite. They usually have limited time to accept. Once they join, you can assign them a specific profile. You can limit what they see, what they can edit. They can log in from their own computer, but they see the same isolated profile you have set up. So instead of sending password in chat, hoping they use the right VPN and mixing all your fingerprint, you simply say you manage Shopify brand A, US, and Amazon brand C, Denmark. They open those profiles in their own Multilogin app, and everything stay isolated and consistent. This is where agencies and large teams save tons of time and stress. Step 7. Docs, automation, and whose Multilogin is really for. Inside Multilogin, you also have docs and knowledge base with the best practice, shortcuts, troubleshooting, API access, so developer can create start-stop profile in codes, integrate Multilogin into your custom dashboards, automate repetitive tasks, for example bulk profile creation, testing routines. So who is Multilogin really for? Great fit for e-commerce seller with multi-brands and regions, agencies handling many client accounts on same platform, media buyers, affiliate marketer, arbitrage team that legitimate runs multi-setup, research and QA team that needs consistent browser environment. Probably not need for someone with just one store account or one platform. People looking for some magic tricks to break the platform rule. Multilogin is a professional tool for people treating their online accounts like real business assets. So that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you found this video valuable. If so, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. And thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.